Hey guys, it's Phone Arena. We're doing our hands-on look at the Motorola ATRIX, which is going to be available for AT&T. So AT&T customers have something really nice to look forward to, finally, from Motorola's camp. Instead of being graced with more mid-range devices, we finally have a respectable high-end device that's going to be coming out for them. Specifically, it has a 4-inch QHD display, so that has a resolution of 540 by 960 pixels. So with that resolution, even the smallest text is very crisp. Easy to make out, no problems whatsoever. And so far from what we're seeing here, it's pretty nice looking, definitely large. We like the overall size. It's a little bit on the thinner side, very pocketable, even despite it has that 4-inch display, so it's very nice to hold. A little bit more plasticky though. It doesn't have all the metallic elements you find on some of Motorola's other devices. You have this pattern design in the back, but it's mostly plasticky by nature. So it not really has the most stunning looking industrial design out there. Just give you a brief hardware to it. You have just capacitive buttons underneath the display. You have a front-facing camera for video chat. Left-hand side, you just find the HDMI out port. You have also a micro USB port. On the top, it looks like you have just a dedicated power button and also a 3.5mm headset jack. And on the right-hand side, you have nothing but just the volume rocker. And in the back, I believe it's a 5-megapixel autofocus camera. Some of the other hardware specs that's being touted is the 1GB of RAM on board. It has even a large 1930 milliamp hour battery on board. So hopefully that's going to translate to a really nice battery life for the device itself. As far as the software, it's running the customized, the latest version of the Motorola interface that we see in other Motorola devices nowadays. Overall, it's running fairly quickly, and it has a pretty nice processor on board too. So it makes everything fly fairly quickly here. It's packing the dual-core Tegra 2 chipset, so you're moving about the platform. It's fairly smooth and responsive, and as you can tell here. I'm just going to show you the browser. The other thing is that it's touted to be it's a 4G phone, but it actually has a HSPA Plus connectivity once that goes up with the AT&T here. So we'll just show you the browser here to show you how fast and fluid it operates. Pinch to zoom obviously is on board. You can double tap to zoom in, and overall, with the Tegra 2 chipset, it's making everything just fly very quickly, very responsive and fluid to the touch, so no problems whatsoever. Overall, it's looking like a decent handset, especially for AT&T customers. They finally have something to look forward to. It's running Android 2.2 Froyo right now, and hopefully down the road they will get the Gingerbread out there to give it a really nice update to the device itself. If you'd like to learn more about the Motorola ATRIX, or for all the latest stuff happening here at CES, check out our website at phonearena.com.